Hey first grade friends, so today for math we're actually going to do some art. So this is going to be a video where I'm going to be working and kind of like Art Kids Hub, you need to pause the video so you can do your part and then play again to hear the next part. Okay, so I'm going to walk you through the steps and how we're going to do this, and I'll show you what the end will look like, okay? So all you're going to need is two markers, so I have my two markers here, they can be whatever colors you want. You need a scissors. And you need two pieces of paper. And if you have a glue stick at home, that will work too. But I use tape. Okay, but a glue stick will probably work better for you, but I didn't have a glue stick, so I used some tape. Okay, ask your mom or dad if they have some of those supplies. You should have most of those in your toolbox. Okay, so I would use a glue stick. So to get started, I'm going to take a piece of paper. Okay, take my scissors, and I am going to cut 12 excuse me, I'm going to cut 12 squares. Okay? These squares, you want to try to make them all the same size. Okay? So I want you to pause the video and cut out 12 squares. Okay? Alright, now that you have your 12 squares cut out, see, I already did that. Here's my 12 squares. Okay? Once you get them, you're going to take your markers. Okay? And this is where you get to pick. You're going to color some of your squares red and some blue. Okay? You can color 3 of your squares red, you can color 10 of your squares red, you can color 11 red, you can color 11 blue. Okay, it's up to you, but I want at least one red one and at least one blue one. Okay? So, you're going to color all of your squares. Okay? So, I want you to pause the video and do your coloring now. Welcome back. So while you were coloring, I was also coloring. Okay, and here are my squares that I colored. Okay, I didn't color all red and I didn't color all blue. I mixed them up, okay? So once you finish coloring, that's when you're gonna grab your glue stick. I use tape, okay, but you're gonna grab your glue stick, your squares, and your piece of paper, okay? And I'll show you what I did, but you're gonna glue them down and try to make maybe a monster, an animal. Here is the one that I made. He's kind of mad and has some teeth. You can draw on it too if you want to, okay? But I have my 12 squares, and I wrote on my page, if you can count the blue squares with me, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I put 5 out of 12, because that's how many total squares I have is 12. 5 out of 12 blue. And I'm going to count the red ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I used 7 red ones, so I wrote 7 out of 12 red ones. Okay? So when you finish gluing your paper down into what picture you want, okay, you need to write the fraction for each color. Okay? So I have 12 total, so that's my bottom number for both of them. And I have 5 blue ones and 7 red ones, so that's what I put. Okay? Remember, you can draw a mouth or eyes or hands or a t-shirt or something else if you want to on your picture too. Okay? Once you finish, I want you to take a picture on Seesaw and send it to your teacher. We'd love to see the cool art that you're doing. Okay? So, that's your math activity today. Hopefully it's fun. Hope you guys have a great weekend, okay? Bye!